you finally get cranky, buddy?
I got cranky. A Winnie Mill! The Winnie Mill! What? I don't have the bridge.
I think that's a Shake Shake Bridge, maybe.
Look,
It
watch.
stinks!
Watch.
It's the Shake Bridge!
It is.
What did Santa bring? My God.
Wow, what is this? Right here. What's this right here? What's this?
That's the underneath the windmill.
Oh. I don't have the Winnie Mill.
I know. And
Like
look.
this, watch.
Wow!
If you roll this underneath here. And it's got a barrel of flour.
Bill of flour. It's that big.
Yeah.
Hey, I know when this present.
Oh.